Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Okay, so I just want to give you a little update about how relocation requirements and several other things has been, especially from the home office. A lot of things has changed over the months, and the request from the home office as regards visa approval is becoming, quite alarming. They have been requesting for much more documents than you can think of. As a matter of fact, for some people, they have been, declined. Their visa have been declined due to one of these reasons or the other. So this video, I just want to share with you things that you need to note, you need to put into more consideration. Now, apart from the fact that you need your police report, you need your international passport, you need your tuberculosis test. One of the things you also need that is very crucial now is your updated CV. I understand a lot of people might be um might not want to sit down with their CV and update it, make amendment when necessary, and then start they use the same CV to apply for all kinds of job. So I want to encourage you, if you don't want to miss opportunities in the UK, you need to submit your updated CV. So for example, if you are applying for the work visa, healthcare work visa, you need to prove that you are experienced. Now, Home Office is keen on the experience on the health and care worker visa now. Very, very keen. Very, very keen. They need all of this information. Okay, so I want to encourage you, please, for every places on your CV that you have worked, ensure that you have a connection with them, and you can always reach out to them anytime you need them. Because I will also say that if you have done uh care certifications, you have care certifications, you've done courses online or offline, guys, I want to encourage you, get your certificate, attach it to your visa documents that you will be uploading. Please add it to your visa document. You have care document or care certificates rather. Upload them. If it is one, if it is two, if it is five, as many that you have, guys. Don't say this is not necessary. This is what they asked for. If you are asked to submit two documents and you have four documents, as long as it's for the same, the same field, please send the four documents to them. Let them read through all of them. So they need a lot of things to to convince them that you're actually uh right for the job, you have the skill for the job. So another thing you also have to do now, when you apply for your visa, home office will never ask you to submit references from where you work. No. But either you will hacks or not. I know you don't. They don't hacks. They don't. Home office don't hacks. But even if you are not hacks, please send a reference letter from your organization, from where you worked, from your previous place of work, stating how learned, how experienced you are in those positions that you occupy. I remember that when I was applying for my relocation, all of these I did from the beginning of my visa processing. I already included every information that I wasn't asked. I don't know why. I just added it. In fact, I added my driver's license. I added everything that I'm not even asked. I added everything, so that could serve as help for, maybe they need proof of identification. A lot of things. It can work for several things. Just put everything they need. It's better you have more than enough document than to have less document. Do you understand what I mean now? So another thing you have to add is to attach. Yeah, very important. Now, irrespective of the kind of job you do, either you're a care worker, either you're nurse, either you are whatever kind of nurse you do, please, when you're at your place of work, at this junction, you need to start taking pictures. At this point, you need to start taking pictures. When you are doing your work in the office, maybe you're doing some work alone, you are doing work with a group of people, you are doing some practical and some other things, take pictures. At this juncture, the home office need pictures of what and how you have been doing, where you work, when you work, the middle of the pictures. For example, let me say you work in an hospital. You can stand in the front of the hospital where the name of the clinic is showing and take a picture. You might be on uniform. Take a picture. That's one of the evidence to show that okay, this is where you work. You know, you are in the lab, you are with patients, you're taking care of somebody, you are giving medication. No matter what you're doing, take pictures. All of these things are evidences to show that you do all of these things. Now, another thing you need to also add to what you need to know is now, Home Office doesn't give COSs to any organization or any sponsor that is not CQC regulated company. No, Home Office doesn't give certificates or sponsorship to companies or sponsors that are not CQC regulated. So you need to be sure your company or the sponsor is CQC regulated. That's one. In addition, there is a note, or let me say an additional information for sponsors. So on the UK government website, it says that if the COS for a skilled worker applying for a health and care visa, you can use the sponsor note field to explain how the worker is eligible for that visa. So it means that even for your sponsor, there is a space where they can, explain to the Home Office how they have seen you eligible for that job role. You can see that it's not, it's no longer the regular way of doing things. No, now they require more information. So if you're seeing this video today, I will encourage you, if you have somebody who's planning to relocate or started the relocation process or wish to relocate to the UK, they need to be updated about this information, especially on the healthcare worker visa. But irrespective of the role you are applying for, when you are applying for your visa, please let them have more than enough document. Please let them have more than enough document. Please. So, and that's the information I've come to share with you today. I hope this helped, and please share this information with people who need it around you. Let them be updated. If you don't supply enough documents, and your visa is denied, they will not your money will not be refunded, your application fee will not be refunded. So please guys, don't be a victim of this. Watch this video, share with people around you, and I'm going to see you guys later. Have a wonderful time. Bye. Yeah.